Next reaction ಯಾವುದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಯೋಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಿಮಗಿರೋದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಯೋಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. What is iodoform test? Ketones having at least one methyl group is attached to the carbonyl group. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಲೇಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಕೀಟೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ CH3CO ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಕೀಟೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. Only such ketones can answer this reaction. Aldehyde ಬಂದರೆ ಯಾವ aldehyde ಅಲ್ಲಿ methyl keto group ಇದೆ? Only acetaldehyde. ಅಂದರೆ acetaldehyde or any methyl keto group when they are treated with sodium hydroxide and iodine ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? Give a low precipitate of iodoform. Okay, and sodium salts of carboxylic acid which contain one carbon atom lesser than the parent compound. This reaction is called iodoform test. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು iodoform test ಅಂದರೆ acetaldehyde, aldehyde ಬಂದರೆ acetaldehyde, or ketones ಬಂದರೆ methyl ketone, right? ಅಂದರೆ the organic compound which containing methyl keto group CH3CO group when they are treated with sodium hydroxide and iodine, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ give sodium hypoiodite NaOI, right? So gives a low precipitate of iodoform. So sodium hydroxide reacts with iodine. Sodium hydroxide reacts with the iodine, gives sodium iodide, and sodium hypoiodide NaOI is called what? Sodium hypoiodide. Sodium hypoiodide. Here sodium balance of the chemical 2NaOH. First, sodium hydroxide reacts with the iodine, gives sodium hypoiodide. Now, the carbonyl compounds which containing methyl keto group, they reacts with sodium hypoiodide NaOI. Okay, now, yes, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ only this part undergoes reaction. We'll get RCO, C, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CI3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 3 ನಮಗೆ. Nowadays RCO, CI3, it reacts with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Yes, RCO, ONA, with the formation of sodium salts of carboxylic acid. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? CHI3. It gives a low precipitate of iodoform. The CHI3 is called iodoform. Or its IUPAC name, more iodine ಇದೆ. Right. Iodo. How many carbon atoms? 1. Methane. Right. Iodo methane. It is an yellow precipitate. It is a low precipitate. ಅಥವಾ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೆಯಬಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ? carbonyl compound which contain in the methyl keto group This is common. Okay. Then reacts with sodium hypoiodide with the formation of sodium salts of carboxylic acid, which contain one carbon atom lesser than the carbonyl compound. Next to sodium oxide 2NaOH. It gives an yellow precipitate of iodoform. An yellow precipitate of iodoform. Right? So this is called iodoform reaction or iodoform test. Come on, explain with an example. Aldehyde ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? Okay, CH3CHO. ಇದು methyl ketone group ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೆ. What is its name? Acetaldehyde. Yes, when acetaldehyde reacts with sodium hypoiodide ಅಥವಾ sodium hydroxide and iodine. ಓಕೆನಾ? R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? CH3 ಅಲ್ಲ H. Okay, HCOONA, sodium formate. Actually, methyl ketone group ಅಲ್ಲಿ methyl group is involved in the reaction. Okay, na? OH plus CHI3, a yellow precipitate of iodoform. The best example and the first member of ketone, hello, acetone. When acetone is treated with sodium hydroxide and iodine, ಅಥವಾ sodium hypoiodide. Yes, what is our group? CH3. With the formation of sodium salts of carboxylic acid, hello, sodium acetate. It gives a yellow precipitate of iodoform. Okay, it is a yellow precipitate of iodoform. Color important is a color bantu andre iodoform bantu anta. Got it? One more example. C6H5 COCH3. It is an aromatic ketone called acetophenol. When acetophenol is treated with sodium hydroxide and iodine, or sodium hypoiodide, what is our group here? C6H5. It gives sodium benzoate. This is the sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Sodium benzoate. And an yellow precipitate of iodoform. A yellow precipitate of iodoform. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾನೆ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಯೋಡೋಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿರಲೇಬೇಕು? methyl ketone group CH3CO group ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಹಿಂದೆ? ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ CHOH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು CETಗೆ ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ reduction of aldehydes and ketones. What is the number? Fifth one. Reduction of aldehydes. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Yes, aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to a varieties of products with the different reducing agents. ವಿತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದೇ ಎರಡು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು ಎಸ್ ಏನು reduction of aldehydes and ketones to alcohols. Okay, first one reduction to alcohols, and the reduction of aldehydes and ketones into alcohols. Already considered in the chapter. Okay, now one of the method of preparation of alcohol only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one of the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. ನೋಡಿ, when an aldehyde and a ketone, ನೀವು aldehyde ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, yes, it is treated with a reducing agent, a mild reducing agent like sodium borohydride ಅಥವಾ lithium aluminum hydride, right? These are reducing agent and they produce nascent hydrogen. Okay, na nascent hydrogen. Or even you could subject into catalytic hydrogenation. You know, reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst. You ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ always aldehydes are reduced to, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ aldehyde group CHO group is reduced to CH2OH, primary alcohol. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol, right? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಯಿತು? 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 2. ಓಕೆ, aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. Say RaCH3. Then what is the name of this aldehyde? Acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, is treated with sodium borohydride. It undergoes reduction. What is our group? CH3. Then CHO group is reduced to what? CH2OH, primary alcohol. What is the name of this primary alcohol? Ethyl alcohol ಅಥವಾ ethanol. So acetaldehyde is reduced into ethanol. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಕೀಟೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ RCOR'. When a ketone is treated with a reducing agent like sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, right? These are reducing agent produce the nascent hydrogen. Athava when ketone is subjected to catalytic hydrogenation, hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst ಅಥವಾ platinum catalyst ಅಥವಾ palladium catalyst. Okay, now ಈಗ this keto group CO group is reduced to CHOH group. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol, right? One example, say R and R dash or CH3. What is the name of this ketone? Propanone ಅಥವಾ acetone. When acetone is treated with, when acetone is treated with a reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, right? Acetone ಅಲ್ಲಿ CH3 COCH3 only. CO group, keto group is reduced to what? CHOH. In R and R dash same. So acetone is reduced to 2-propanol ಅಥವಾ isopropyl alcohol. This is the reduction of aldehydes and ketones into alcohols. Andre aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols, whereas ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol. Right? Next one, reduction of aldehydes and ketones into hydrocarbons. Okay, now reduction of aldehydes and ketones into hydrocarbons ಅಂದ್ರೆ alkanes. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್, ಎಸ್, Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reaction ಅಥವಾ reduction. Clemenson's reaction ಅಥವಾ Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's SEN. Clemenson's reduction. What is Clemenson's reduction? Take a general carbonyl compound. Here carbonyl compound. And it may be an aldehyde or ketone. Right? Yes, it is heated with. The aldehyde or ketone is heated with a reducing agent like zinc amalgam, ZnHg, zinc amalgam, and concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. What is its nature? It is a reducing agent. The CO group, carbonyl group, is reduced to methylene group, CH2 group. We will get the respective hydrocarbon. Respective hydrocarbon. And this oxygen combines with the hydrogen gives water. Total ಎಷ್ಟು hydrogen ಬೇಕಾಯಿತು 4. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ you should write 4 nascent hydrogen. General equation. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Come on, explain with an example. HCHO. What is the name of this aldehyde? Formaldehyde. That one is CH3CHO ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ acetaldehyde. C6H5CHO ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. That one ketone ತಗೋ CH3CO CH3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ acetone. ಈ ತರ 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಈಗ. Yes, when formaldehyde is heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So it produces the nascent hydrogen. Come on. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? In this reaction, CO group is reduced to CH2 group. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ CO CH2 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH2 H2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? CHO. So formaldehyde is reduced to methane. ಯಾವ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? methane. ಅದೇ ನೀವು acetaldehyde ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it gives 2 carbon atom alkane. ಓಕೆನಾ? So when acetaldehyde is heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, acetaldehyde ಅಲ್ಲಿ CO group is reduced to CH2, CH2H ಏನಾಯ್ತು? CH3. Acetaldehyde is reduced to ethane. Got it? Next, when benzaldehyde is heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, this is the reagent used in Clemenson's reaction. Okay, so in the benzaldehyde R is C6H5, CO is reduced to CH2, CH2H ಏನಾಯ್ತು? CH3. So benzaldehyde is reduced to toluene. right? Got it? Next, acetone. When acetone is heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. As in acetone, CO is reduced to CH2, right? So, acetone is reduced to propane. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀ ವಾಟರ್, right? This is called Clemenson's reaction ಅಥವಾ Clemenson's reduction. Got it? Next ಬಂದರೆ another method of reduction of aldehydes into hydrocarbons is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reaction ಅಥವಾ reduction. It is also used to convert aldehydes and ketones into hydrocarbon, but by using the different reducing agent. ಹಾಗೆ first the carbonyl compound. The carbonyl compound ಅಂದರೆ aldehyde or ketone is treated with the hydrazine. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When a carbonyl compound is treated with hydrazine, undergoes first condensation, andre with the elimination of water molecule, a simple molecule like water, first it gives enna hydrazone barutte, okay na, which is followed by enna heated with NaOH or KOH in presence of ethylene glycol. Yes, this hydrazone is heated with the potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide in presence of ethylene glycol. ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, we'll get the respective hydrocarbon plus N2, right? This is called Wolff-Kishner reaction ಅಥವಾ reduction. Explain with an example. Okay na? Come on. On the aldehyde ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. CH3CHO. ಯಾವ್ದಿದು aldehyde? Acetaldehyde. First acetaldehyde is treated with hydrazine. ಏನಂತೆ? With the elimination of a simple molecule like water, and it undergoes condensation, gives acetaldehyde hydrazone. Let CH3CH double bond and NH2. Okay, now which is heated with potassium hydroxide in presence of ethylene glycol. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ? CH3CH3. Acetaldehyde is reduced to methane, right? One more example. Acetone, CH3COCH3, right? Again, easy ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, CH3COCH3. Acetone is first treated with the hydrazine, right? Yes, it undergoes condensation with the elimination of a simple molecule like water. It gives respective hydrazone. ಇವತ್ತು acetone hydrazone ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, which is heated with potassium hydroxide ಅಥವಾ sodium hydroxide in presence of ethylene glycol, right? ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಓದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ CH3, CH2, CH3. Acetone is reduced to propane. Is it not? Acetone is reduced to propane. Right? ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಿನೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಥೈಲ್ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ CO is reduced to what? CH2 group. Got it? Right?